What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade and
your girl Iya.
And today we're gonna play a game of charades. You see me? Charades is a Jamaican-based or themed app. Me and Rolly did play this game, but me and Angel never get to play it until now. A long time now, I want to post it. Basically, it's a guessing game with all Jamaican themes. So whichever category you can choose from, like patois, places, or acting out, or reggae, or whatever, it's all up to what we want to choose. So today, I want to play a game of charades with you, but it's dancer. So basically, let me just click. Let me click it to select it and read out the instructions. You see? Get your teammate to guess the dancehall artist name by singing one of their songs. You can also describe the dancehall artist. You see me? So basically,
also if you don't know their name, you can
yeah, like if
describe them.
Yeah. So one way I have to go put up this palm with it. So place it on your forehead. So let me click dancehall.
But if me looking at this, I'm not gonna see what happens.
You're not supposed.
Right.
Well, you're not gonna see it. Up is correct and down is incorrect.
Alright.
Or pass. I think that is a pass.
Alright, so up is correct.
Okay. So hold it up to your forehead. Then you see if you go up it. Dancehall. So now I'm going to give the suggestions for you. Yeah man, let me see. Nigli ay pum pum, nigli ay pum pum. Up. Up again. Flick it up. Alright. Flick it up. Them say me nah boss way. That me hear enough say.
Cranium.
Nope. Me want to struggle with my face, man. I forgive thanks in a real life.
Tommy Lee.
In a real life. I pray.
Popcorn.
And I go and hold the faith in a real
Jamil.
life. In a real life.
Pass.
Go down. Okay. Go down. Like, yeah. When it's gonna be my time to shine, now I'm in my prime.
Sean Storm.
When it's gonna be my time to shine, now I'm in a prime. Gotta get what's mine. Gonna be.
Agent Sasko.
Get the bread, me not get no big. When Friday come, me not get no big ear check.
Busy signal.
Time's up. Time's up. You got 2 correct. Alright, let's stop to play again. Now you have to suggest.
I think we should start over.
No, come.
Alright.
We're gonna play a lot of rounds. Alright.
We have to turn around. Who the hell is that? I don't know no song for that.
So skip down.
Skip. I don't know no song for him. I don't know no song for him. Let me touch your body slowly.
Jim Laden.
Yeah. It's up again. I don't know no song for her. She. I don't know no song for she. I don't know no song for him. I'm drinking rum.
Future Fambo.
Yeah. Smile for me, Jamaica.
Chronics.
Me don't know who that. Which song him sing again? Time's up.
Okay.
I'm finna another song for Christopher Martin.
I'm gonna get 3 correct. Alright. You again.
Oh crap, sorry babe.
I said go. Place on the forehead. Breakfast in bed.
Steph London.
Up. So come closer and you can see your head. But you know if you look in the screen, turn it down. Picture me and you and me.
Vybz Kartel.
Oh. You love this on me. Dear mama, I your last boy, Leonard this. I want to tell you everything I had, Chris. Anyway, you know the feds they hold me. You not get it, but you know who.
L.A. Lewis.
No.
Ooh. Sorry.
It's a letter to mama. I don't. Merciless that. Say me now go to jail again. Oh no. Never gonna feel. These are the days when the gal in the bees. Because of Jamaican. No youth no have degrees, but them have the grace.
Busy signal.
Yeah. Up. Make the popcorn pop. Pop.
Ching ching.
Yeah. Up. Your time up though. Alright.
Let's see how much we get.
You got 4 correct.
Let me do it too slow. Alright, ready? Me want me cow foot. Me want me
Maca diamond.
Oh, correct. You make the thunder roll.
Shino.
I know Shino sing that.
I him sing that.
Ashanda Paul.
Sean Paul no sing
Sean
that.
Paul.
But I sing
Alright,
this.
gone. Next.
You make me get my thing right.
Me no still. Alright. Pass. Oh, me don't know the song for him. Look how you big, you wicked.
You don't know who that.
It's the Munga and the Red.
Munga.
Make the popcorn pop.
Chichi.
Pop, pop. Me don't know that song for the bad name, so. Time's up.
Damn.
Babe, you don't know
Damn,
conscience. Well, you don't know conscience to say. You're biggie or you're wicked.
You couldn't even sing it good. Me know what song you know. You go mad me.
Yeah.
How are you? Alright, your time. Alright. Don't look funny something.
Alright, me now.
Every man girl and every man girl.
Spice.
Yeah, oh. None of them no bad like Shabba Rankin.
Shabba. Ranking.
Ranks up.
Ranks there.
Broke it up.
Conscience. I don't know.
Broke it up. Broke it up. Broke it up.
QQ.
Rotted.
Go on.
No, you can't click correct.
Alright.
Make it tell you click. Alright, skip him. The strongest sword I get the hardest fight.
Jamil.
Oh. Really, Steve? Hey, girl, you go mad me. How are you? Make sure you can.
Conscience.
Okay, you get what I want to right do. Up.
Oh, sorry.
Yo. Alright, you get 4 right. I literally treat that now, but come.
Babe, who sing Break It Down?
Vegas, I talk to you. Ready? See me thing there?
Skip. Boom, bye, bye.
Buju Banton.
No, wrong. Abo skip.
Lord God.
Skip.
Rotted.
It not hard to make it another man.
Shensia.
One if break it up.
Vegas.
I don't get it.
Gage.
Me and the first lady, long time being man put up walk with a girl.
What?
Me and the first lady, somebody a long time being man. When you rock it, you drink with the
Gage. Me don't know. I don't know where the attacks are.
hurry up and come
Okay.
back.
I'll say that song there again.
Smile for me, Jamaica. Man, no song for him. Alright, I'm on 6. Noah Power sing song? Who is Noah Power?
You know, keep a smile on my face. Just
Oh,
alright,
crap.
stop to play. Now you have to go play one different version of it.
Oopsie.
Pull the phone.
Alright, ready?
Don't look on you, babe. Me stay to myself is a pity da. Holy man, you don't know what we do, you know?
Chronicler.
No, you don't know. Fear down, a styles. Music is song every day. Good done with it. Yeah. I just my good old wife.
The end, Beanie Man.
Wrong.
She alone and me coming home every night.
Wayne Marshall.
Yeah.
Skip down. Skip down. Skip down. Skip down. I don't know what song what she say. Driver!
Buju Banton.
Alright, up. Babe, carry it up now. One more night.
Busy Signal.
Up. Babe, you have to carry it up, babe. Behind these prison walls, The way
Egyptian.
my bass
Just
is.
more.
Yeah, up. Your time up before.
Must get 2. Me get more than 2.
So you game a thief, yeah?
Yes.
One more time.
Already. We got a love situation.
Jada Kingdom.
And yeah. Babe, stop. Tip by to meet me run at the back.
Spice.
Yeah.
Whole time they say I'm like a somebody I talk to.
Up. No no song for him. Me no know the song for him.
You have a brother named
6 out there, you know the thing up.
Rotted. Who that?
You tell me 6 when
Squash.
I play Massacre.
Yeah, but your Massacre say 6.
Oh,
Oh, wrong me for you.
time's up.
Yeah, but your Massacre say 6.
Yeah, Massacre says 6. I don't know.
Hey, come.
Who says 6?
Squash them and chronicler them.
Oh,
Dance all nice again.
busy signal.
Do what you feel like, but no fight it. Dance all nice. Dance in a Jamaica, Michelin.
Elephant Man.
Yeah, up.
Oh crap.
Ooh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
Oh, me.
Up. Me keep a smile on my face. Just to check you all of them. She don't remember who. And you know, stop.
Stylo. Style G.
No.
Ooh.
No power.
Oh.
Dumb. So you want to roll with a pro today? So roll with protege. Roll
Damian Marley.
with protege.
Protege.
Protege. Up. I must protege. Down. Don't get time up.
Ule.
Just sing. Girl, I just for the life I live to get 3.
Woo.
Come on.
I'm alright now. I just some company.
Alkaline.
Up. Me don't know nothing for you. Me don't know nothing. Break it up. No. Me don't know nothing for Charlie. Blah.
You know Charlotte?
Me don't know nothing. Who name Patra?
I don't know.
Craig. Me don't know nothing for him. He used to love the man that sang in him. I don't remember though. Me don't know nothing for him.
Yeah, and head for
No girl can't tell me about my mother. Blacka.
We don't know who the
That's fine.
we don't know who the hell that.
Alright, go on. Time's up. Me did go get one popcorn in a man. Happy.
You want we done that challenge there, so?
Yeah, cause we got nothing now.
Alright, we go stop the challenge, so.
If me make no mistake, please just stay with me, cause me don't really know the song them. Like me sing them, cause me like them, but like me don't know who sing them.
And probably we'll do a next category and post it soon.
What kind of category they have other than
Them
that?
have places, dance.
Patwa. You couldn't make good with patwa.
Can do it in our next
I
challenge.
could do patwa now.
When?
Cut off this and start the next one so that I can't end it for next day. Patwa. I want to do patwa.
You know want to see Patwa? Leave that down in the comments. You want to see the Patwa one. So for now, we're out.